In this video, we're going to find the absolute minimum of y equals x squared minus 3x minus 1 from an interval x being -1 to 2. So the first thing we do is try to find local minimum. So we get y prime. So we take the derivative on both sides. We get 2x minus 3 from this function. We set equal to 0. So that means that x is 3/2. So we take the y double prime, so that would be 2. And this y double prime of x, so that's the derivative of this function. So we have that y double prime of 3/2 would be still 2, which is greater than 0. Which means at x equals 3/2, we have local minimum. So now we have the function y equals x squared minus 3x minus 1. Endpoints, x equals -1, x equals -2, x equals 2. And we have local minimum at x equals 3/2. So we're going to check y of 3/2, y of -1, and y of 2. And we're finding absolute minimum, so we want to find the smallest value. So let's see. So y of 3/2 is, so we're going to plug that into this equation right here. So that would be 3/2 squared is 9/4 minus 3 times 3/2 is 9/2 minus 1. So multiply by 4 on both sides for the 1 to be 4/4. Multiply by 2 on both sides to get 18/14. So this would be 9 minus 18 is -9 minus 4/4. So this would be -13/4. Y of -1, so we're going to do y of -1 next. -1 squared is 1 minus 3 times -1, which is +1, times 3 is 3, so -1. So this would be 4 minus 1 is 3. Y of 2 is 2 squared is 4 minus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1. So that would be 4 minus 6 is -2 minus 1 is -3. So this is -3.25, right? Because this is -12/4 minus 1/4. So that's -3 minus 0.25. So this is a smaller value, which means that's the local minimum at x equals 3/2. So this absolute minimum of -3.25 is also the local minimum. That's the end of the video.